quick little video that I'll make real quick, but I had to grab Ray real quick and show her off with my girl in black. Man, she looking good, bro. Ray, show off. Why you got so much powder on you, man? Huh? You messing up the fit. She got the silk black shirt on. Ray, why you got so much powder on you, man? Girl, you look good in black. I'm trying to show you off. You got all this damn powder on you. Your mother done sprinkled all the powder on you. She trying to run. Yeah, they saw you in the background. She trying to run from the camera. But like, my girl look good in black, so I have to show her off real quick. But yeah, I'm about to go get this windshield on the car replaced. Remember I was telling y'all that I have a crack on the windshield? I'm about to go ahead today and get it replaced. I actually had an appointment for Safe Flight. Listen to this nonsense. I had an appointment for Safe Flight to come out. Safe Flight or Safeguard, whatever the hell it's called. Those people that come to your house and replace your windshield. So I told the insurance company that because I thought they was about to pay for my John. I told them like, yo, my windshield cracked, blah blah. So they made an appointment with Safe Flight. They're like, yeah, Safe Flight gonna come out and come replace it for you. I'm like, oh, that's nice. That's too easy. Hey Siri, pause show. I'm like, yeah, that's nice. That's too easy. The day of, Safe Flight gonna call me talking about some. Oh, you know, our truck broke down. Homeboy was like, my truck broke down. Yeah, no drivetrain, so I can't drive to come replace it. Can you just drive to the shop and come get the John replaced? And at the time, I'm like, you know what, too easy. I'll just drive there and get it replaced. Man, that John a 15-minute drive. I'm like, I'm not gonna drive 15 minutes to go get the windshield replaced. And then again, the damn quote that they gave me was like $500 and some dollars to replace a windshield. But I'm like, you know what? They're gonna go out of their way to come replace it. So too easy. I'll just pay the money. But now I gotta drive to them, and I still gotta pay that much money now. So I called around town. I tried to find the best place I could. So I'm about to go get it replaced right now. But long story short, man, all I'm trying to say is I'm about to be driving around in a clown car for like a minute, cause that car about to look stupid with all that light coming in, people looking at me while I'm driving. That's crazy. I don't know how y'all do it, but I'm about to go on. Ray, you got mad powder on you, girl. You got mad powder on you. You got mad powder on you, man. Huh? You want that I bite you up? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the crack, and somebody had asked to show them the crack, what the crack look like. So I'm gonna show y'all the crack, and then I'm gonna get this jar in place. I'm gonna show y'all the car gonna look like. I'm gonna show you what the car look like after it gets replaced with all that light going in my car. I'm about to be looking stupid. But yeah, man. Rhea, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Clap, 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 mama. Rhea, clap. Yeah, big girl. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all what this car look like right now, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like afterwards. Ain't that right, pretty girl? She out. You want that I bite you up? Eh? You want that I bite you up? Two people, you try to run from Dada, eh? You want that I bite you up? You're so bad and cute, man. You so cute, man. You so cute, man. Yes. You so cute. Cute ass. Alright, Dada gotta go. Dada gotta go. Dada gotta go. I don't know if y'all can see it because the car tinted up so nice. But the crack is like right here, bro. But I'm gonna show y'all from the inside. The crack is like right there. Maybe y'all can see it. I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all. Maybe I can catch it from the inside. Yeah, yeah. I know y'all can see it now. Look at that John, bro. Like, it stops right here. But like, yo, when it first started, it was like whatever hit the car, hit it like right here. You can see like ground zero or day zero right here. And then it just slowly started. Then the next day was like right here, barely right here. And man, look at this. I can't be driving around looking like this. And you know when wintertime come, snow gonna fall in here, water gonna get in there, and then it's gonna freeze, and then it's gonna expand and get even worse. But yeah, I gotta go get that John replaced, man. We'll go do that right now. But real quick, I just want to capture one more time what my baby look like before we go ahead and get his windshield replaced. Because right now my windshield is tinted, and I know once I get it replaced, it's not gonna look this good anymore because all the light just gonna flood inside, you know. But here's what my baby look like right now, man. Yeah, oh my God. Yeah. Let's go get it replaced. Man, I just went and got this car tinted. I just had to drive home from the place where they tint my car at, man. I'm telling you, my car look goofy as hell, bro. I wanna drive in this John no more.
What's wrong with it?
Bro, you can see through it, man.
This is dark.
Bro, you can see through it. The fact that you can see my PC right here is crazy.
That's dark, Ray. You saw extra.
Bro, like, you can see right through my car, man. Like, look at this. Sugar, I was in the car sitting down and I was in front of the business place. And like, I look in the mirror and I could see my reflection in the mirror through the car. Yeah, man, I feel stupid driving. Windshield fixed though. Windshield fixed. But I'm gonna look at it real quick. I'm gonna go back in the house, man.